Welcome to Calpeper Martial Arts and Survival Training. This is a Panoptic martial arts training system which provides a far broader range of martial study than traditional martial arts systems. We're not here to make you a black belt. We are here to provide you with the skills you'll need to survive any natural or man-made disaster. Skills like general fitness training, first aid, bushcraft, and survival readiness, primitive archery, and modern firearms training, as well as basic hand-to-hand combat. Calpeper Martial Arts and Survival Training, providing Americans with the skills they need to survive anything, anywhere, anytime.